Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? Well, I got my Saturn here, and I haven't been able to touch it since I made the last video, which was like a month ago. The weather has been absolutely horrible, number one. I lost power in the garage, number two. It's been raining, it seems. Every time I have a chance to do anything, it's been raining. So it's just like, I can't get anything accomplished. And if it's a nice day when I come home, it's 98 degrees and extremely humid. And I'm like, nope, not doing it, not doing it. And now we have, according to the weather maps, we have 10 days, 10 straight days of 95-degree weather coming up. I'm not going to fix the electric. I'm not going to work on anything if I don't have to, especially outside. I do have something I have to work on. But there's something I wanted to show you. You ever see like those ads, those little commercials, like if you're on Facebook or TikTok or what? I don't do TikTok or any of the other. I'm on there, but I don't use it. You ever see like you got little commercials for different things and they glorify them, make them seem like, oh, it's the best thing in the world. I happened to see something and I was like, actually, that's a fantastic idea. I wonder if it works. Because I've seen hack videos, meaning people do something to make something happen and do it in a very unconventional way, and it works. What am I talking about? I am talking about jump starting a car with one of these, a battery pack. So my Saturn is now dead because it sat for a month, and I had a battery from the Camaro, which is 5 years old, and I wasn't expecting it to last too long, but it's dead. It will turn the lights on the dash, but that's about it. So I happen to see this thing. I'll open it up in a second. As you can see by looking at the box, I've actually had this thing for about a month, and I'm just getting to it now. And I buy all my stuff. Don't think that people send it to me. Well, people do send me certain things, and I will let you know when that happens. But this, I actually purchased this. I saw this video on TikTok, not on TikTok, on Facebook, and I was like, you know what? That's actually a pretty good idea. Let me see if I can find that. And sure enough, I found it on Amazon. They make one for the Dewalt battery. They make one for the Milwaukee, like the larger style, like this, not the small ones for like the, for the cordless ratchets and stuff like that. But they make one for like the bigger drills and stuff, and it's made to jumpstart your car. So I figured, let me try it. What do I got to lose? I don't have anything to lose. The only thing that kind of concerns me a little bit, but I don't know if it's really going to make a difference for just a jump start. It's a 20 volt, okay? Obviously, a car is 12.8 volts. Yeah. And I was just, it kind of concerns me that it's 20 volts, but I'm figuring for just a jump start situation, really shouldn't be that bad. I've seen cars overcharging where they charged like upwards of 18, 19 volts, and it blew out every single light bulb in the car. I'm talking every single one. So, a little skeptical, but hey, I got this car right here. It's dead. Let's try it out. Okay, first off, let's go here. I don't even know what that fuse is on the dashboard. There's a fuse there. Okay. As you see, the lights come on, but I got nothing. Oops. Let me pull the key out a little bit. All right. So I'll put a link in the description for this. Like I said, I bought this thing off of Amazon. I don't know how good it is, but it's what I was looking for. And there was a couple of different ones. I actually went with the less expensive one. All right. That's real all there is to it. So let me put you in a tripod here real quick. Okay. No, actually, no, let's not do that. All right, so now obviously this jumper pack, actually, let me back you all the way up. Sorry about that. This jumper pack just slides into the battery like such. Oh, it locks in place too. Okay. All right, that's kind of neat. Let's hook this up. I know the lighting is kind of terrible. I apologize for that. There's nothing I can really do about it. Let's see, can we get a better view of the battery? Battery. I used to have a friend that used to say battery. Maybe not. Come on. Let's kick it out a little bit. All right, so let's go negative. Let's go positive. I hate side terminal batteries. Absolutely the worst design ever. Let's go negative. All right. So it's hooked up. Look at that. All right, now I would not just leave that hooked up. All right. I gotta say, for whatever this cost me, I don't remember, I think it was 20 bucks. For whatever it cost me, I think it was well worth it. So what I'll do, in the description, I will put a link for this one, and I'll put the link for the Milwaukee one, because I know a lot of you guys use Milwaukee too. So, but not bad to keep hanging around in your car. At least I don't think so. I think that's actually pretty darn good. At least you don't have to carry a gigantic jumper pack with you everywhere. I don't know. I'm happy. Like I said, it was not that expensive. So it did its job. It jump-started it. I mean, shoot, how long can you leave one of those batteries just laying around in your car? I don't even know how long this thing was. I think this thing has actually been sitting in my drawer inside the house, because I have a couple of these smaller ones inside the house for when I do work in the house. And I think, honestly, I think this has been sitting there for upwards of 10 months. And I had charged it before I put it away. Does this thing even have, hold on. It does. Okay, so this was a full charge battery. I did not charge it before I brought it out here. Like I said, it was like sitting in the drawer. I know I charged it and put it away, where I keep like some of my tools and inside house stuff, you know, in the the old junk drawer. So anyway, I think that's worth it. I absolutely think that's worth it. I think that's a great idea. So, but like I said, I buy that stuff myself. Nobody sponsors me. I do not take sponsorship from anybody. So just keep that in mind. All right, guys. I hope you got something out of that. I did. I like that. I think I'm gonna buy actually probably another couple of those, so I have them in my cars and stuff like that. So anyway, that's about it. All right, guys. Hope you got something out of that. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, have a great day. Keep wrenching.